These events are a good opportunity to bring industry together to discuss topics such as technologies, development, talking about the market, as well as the policy. It's always good to exchange with peers of the sector on our perception about how the market is evolving. So it's a good check also of your own views with others from the industry, from other associations.
It's a very business-oriented summit. There's been good discussion, good moderation, a lot of time for questions. I'll get back to my office and talk about what the industry says as biggest challenges in R&I, in particular about my field, but also what are the projections for the future.
I think it's a very good event where we could find potentially partners and also new ideas, which is especially important for R&D. Network is never too much. I think it's really the key to make things happen. We cannot act alone.
I think it's very good that there's enough time that people can talk to each other and chat and meet each other. I think the mixture that you have of the topics is very good, and you have also excellent speakers.
It's rare that you have such a well-informed crew around you with whom you can talk, exchange in the off time, and it's very important to follow up on such events.
Not only do we have a great series of presenters, we also have a really interesting collection of attendees from across a wide space of industry sectors, which gives for some great conversation here. So it's a fantastic event.